Hi everyone, this is Team Spatial Intelligence and we are Fei, Zidong, and Zihui. Our project is based on a real scenario which our early stage startup is currently working on. As we know, we already have major systems for online shopping analysis, but still we heavily rely on empiricism when it comes to offline shopping. So we focused on analyzing customer and brand features in physical shopping malls. Here is our project so far. The first thing we want you to see is the general tendency of different groups of people visiting different store types. Here, the color represents different types of business and the y-axis represents the percentage of the customer type. If you want to go in detail and explore the specific brand, you can hover some point. You can see the connecting line, which means this is a single store's data across different time. We also have tooltip here. You can see which brand it is, which floor it is located, and the specific value of all connecting points. You can click to make it stay. Here we can see generally more male customers like electronics products. And if you feel the visualization is too crowded, you can drag the toggle of the slider. We did not implement the vertical slider intentionally because we found two sliders with four toggles could be annoying. It took several steps to view what you want, so we made the vertical range automatically adjusted. We can also switch to other tags, for example, teenager rate. Here, the brand that has the biggest value is Slim and Mellow, which I believe is a brand for children's wear. So the data we used is generated by the 400 surveillance cameras of the Hobson One mall in Beijing. Firstly, we took some measures to desensitize data in compliance with local policy and laws. Secondly, we took out two existing tables, the store information table and the um, KPIs table of each store on a daily basis. And thirdly, we did some exploratory data analysis, filtered out the zero and null values. Also, in order for the visualization not to be too crowded, we went through a selection process. We selected the February data because it has less missing values and outliers. Also, we only selected a few customer tags that have a perceptible difference like female, teenager, and interrate. At last, we translated, joined, and converted the data and got this final table. So there are still many details to be polished, but this is a general framework we are working on. The first thing on our to-do list is to add filter option so users can choose what colors represent. For example, I might be more interested in business type. Maybe I care more about which floor the brands are located. I want to know what types of customers are willing to visit the higher floor. Secondly, we would add more user-friendly interaction. For example, now we can only use the slider to zoom in. It would be more convenient to use a mouse wheel. Third, the necessary details like legend, color scheme, credit sources, etc. We would love to hear your thoughts on the project, especially whether you could understand the visualization and what interesting interaction we could add. Thanks for your attention.